Hello everyone, you are welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to design a personal website. You can see in the screen. This is the personal website for myself, and we will design such type of personal website together so that you can learn how to design a personal website. Similarly, if you don't have any personal website until now, and if you want to make one, if you already have the basic knowledge about HTML and CSS, and you don't have practical experience how to code them in the browser, in the code editor, and how to display the website as you want, this video will be very helpful for you. Let's start together. In this video, you will learn how to make the header section including the banner. You can see here I have a logo in the left side, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 menu icons in the left side. You can see the hover effect on each menu item. Whenever I hover here, the color changes and you can see the underline. We will design that during this video. And similarly, after the menu section, there is two blocks, one in the right side and one in the left side. It is aligned in the center. We will see that, and first video we will conclude after doing this section. But I will show you the remaining parts which we will cover on next videos. Suppose I have my top skills and I write some paragraphs here to clarify who am I and what I know. And you can see graphics designing, how many percent I know, web development, maintenance, planning, project management, online advertising. These are the skills, top skills which I have. And if anyone wants to see my resume or CV, they can just click here and they can download the CV. Now I haven't uploaded any CV. I just gave the link of my personal website. We will see that we will tackle this mistake from these websites too. And our latest works, it contain the portfolio in terms of web designing, how many designs I made and what are they. I just try to display them. Actually, I made this website a long time ago when I was learning HTML and CSS. Now I know far more better than that time, so that we will try to modify. We will see what are the problems, what are the mistakes. We will tackle all of those deficiencies of this website too. Now you can see another section. You can see the background with gradient and how many projects I have completed, how many clients I have, and how many years of experience I have in the web designing, and what type and what are the skills I have, I mentioned in this section. Similarly, what are our services? You can see on each icon. For the web hosting, there is an icon, and you can see the background is the border radius is different and the background is moving. We will see that using the CSS property. You will learn this one. Similarly, in the resume section, I mentioned all my works until now, and I include my photo. You can do for yourself, and we will see how to develop, how to design this layout. Similarly, I am available for freelancing. I keep one background image, and I gave the background color as well, and we have the button with the gradient property. We will see this section in next videos. Similarly, you can see the contact us form. You can send any message, or any client, if they want to contact me, they can send me message through this button. And at last we have the footer. And this website is completely responsible in mobile devices as well. Let me show you. I will inspect it, and you can choose any device. Suppose I choose iPhone 12, and If you scroll down this website, suppose in the menu section, if you click, you can see all the icons listed, all the menu items listed there, and you can scroll down the website, and all the sections, all the content of website are responsible in mobile as well. You can see one problem in the latest work section, the three bottoms, they are not aligned in center. We will tackle this problem, and we will add some more design to this website, so that stay tuned. uh, and other parts are completely responsible in the iPhone as well, in the mobile as well, except this footer section. In the footer section, the about section goes very long. It takes more height in comparison to the links, so that we will tackle this section as well in the footer section. And in the services also, you can see the web design, web development, those footer icons, those footer links, they are appearing in two lines. We will tackle that, and we will see the designing perspective of such type of website in this video series respectively. Now, as I said, let's start and let's see this body section. You can say the navigation section and banner section of this website. We will try to make it more user friendly and more beautiful, and I will explain you step by step throughout this video. And the first thing is, we need to create the folder in the desktop. Suppose I am going to create new folder, and I will name it my personal website. We are going to create the personal website, and inside this folder, the folder management is very important skill for the web designer. You need to manage the folders properly, so that you can do any changes, and you can easily upload them in the server. There are many benefits of managing the folder properly. Let's create one file called folder for the CSS, and we will make another new folder for the images, IMAGES images, and the last file is new. I'm going to open new. Okay, I will open from here Notepad. I'm going to open the Notepad, and I will file, save as, and where in the desktop I have my personal website folder. Here I will write index.html, and I will change the type of this file to all files, and I will save it. Similarly, I will create file, save as. I will save another file, all file sty style.css, style style.css, and I will save this file as well in the CSS folder. Save. Now we already created HTML and CSS files to start the designing of this website. Now let me open this index.html file using my code editor brackets. You can use any editors, suppose they are VS Code editors or bracket editors or Notepad++. You can use any type of editor, it's your choice, but in my case I am using brackets editor. Let me close what I have before, and I am going to open those two file, open. This is the desktop and my personal website, index.html. I am going to open. Similarly, I am going to open CSS file as well. Okay, now I have index.html and CSS files in my brackets editor, and those are the key to start your development of website. What I did something wrong, and I close my HTML file. Let me open again. Okay, now we are okay. Now before starting any websites, you need to write the declaration of HTML. In the case of bracket code editor, you can write this sign, and I already used the embed system. You can search. Now I get the declaration of this page. Now for the title of this website, I will write Vinay Web 2022. Suppose the title of this personal website I gave Vinay Web 2022. Now I have to link the CSS file to my HTML so that whenever I add any style, it will be visible to the browser. To add the style, style style equals to link, link rel equals to st style sheet, and href equals to, I have this inside the CSS folder, style sheet.css. I already linked the style sheet as well to this file. Now the next step is we need to see the design and we need to find out how to develop it. Now in the web designing, you need to tackle all the sections step by step, so that first let's see the section. I will show you by snipping, SNI snipping tool. We will see only this section which contains logo and the menu. This is the primary menu and this is the logo. We will tackle only this section, and other sections we will see on next part. Okay, this is the first step we need to do. We have our logo in the left side and we have menu icons. Let's see how to tackle them. For that, let me open the VS Code editor. Inside the body, we need to create one tag, header. As you know, this header tag is the HTML5. It is introduced in the HTML5 layout, and it is better to use header tag instead of using section or div, because we are going to design our header. And you can give the class here for the header class equals to top section. I gave the name of this header to top section. Inside the top section, what we have two things. Number one is for the div.logo. One class we need to create for our logo, and another one is div.menu menu area. Another is for the menu area. And inside the logo area, first of all, let me copy this. Let me save this logo. To save this logo, right click and save image as, and in the desktop I have my personal website, and in the images I will write logo, and this is the PNG file. Save. I already saved my logo. Now I need to mention this logo in HTML. For that, img src equals to, inside the images folder I have images logo.png. I will close this bracket. Now inside the menu area, what we have the menus 1 2 3 4 5. We have the menus, so that we need to create ul, and there will be l inside the ul and the anchor tag. I am using the embed system in my code editor, so that I am entering those tags very quickly. You can install the plugin to your code editor, embed, and it will be easier for you as well. Now I will duplicate this line, which is for list. No, this is not L, this is li for list. Now copy this one. Okay, copy this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I create many items. First one is home, second one is about, third one is services, services, fourth one is exprien, experience, another one is purt, portfolio, another one is team, another one is pric, pricing, another one is okay. You can write any number of menu items, li items in the HTML as you need. It is not necessary to be exactly same, because we are you can say we are doing the restoration of our previous personal website. After completing this UL, let me display it in the our browser. Suppose this is our index file and I am going to open with Firefox. This is our result. Now what I need to do, I need to add the CSS so that I can bring these menu icons to the right side and I can remove the bullets in front of them. I can do many more things. So that let's start the CSS. In the CSS file,